32% of Brits would like to watch Chris Moyles.
Kill.
No, of course not. If it was that, we'd...
Eat? You'd have to be hungry.
8 out of 10 Cats is back.
Biggest turn-off for women.
Me. So you can expect more silly questions.
Britain's most ridiculous law.
Is it Jude Law?
With more silly answers.
Is this serious?
I know you've got money. Have you been drinking all day? Least desirable car passenger.
Stephen Hawking would be bad, because you wouldn't know it was him talking on the sat-nav.
The new series of 8 out of 10 Cats starts Friday at 10 on 4.